Hi, my name is Neil, and this is my week 4 Internet of Things homework. So the idea was to have a light be blinking, and then it would stay on when the button was pressed. So here's my Python code which I wrote. You can see the top has two import statements for importing modules, the time module, and then of course the GPIO module, which is built on the Raspberry Pi. Then next I have to set up the inputs. So I set 2 to output, 4 to input. It's on the board common numbering system. And then I have a while true loop, which can detect if the button is pressed. So I have a pull of a resistor. So then whenever it's pressed, it'll be low, and whenever it's not pressed, it'll be high. And then of course there's GPIO.input to false, which means that it will output 2 with 0, and then of course otherwise it'll be true. So one thing to notice here is that on the Raspberry Pi you don't have to actually put it in voltage. It's kind of inverted, so true is like 1, or true 0, and then false would be 1. Yeah, and then here's the clock loop, and then at the end of course I have cleanup, so then it won't mess up all my other programs. Okay, so here's me running this thing. I have to run sudo python 3 and led, and then I can probably tap that, and there we go. And if we go over here, now let me get some better lighting. Now there we go. The Raspberry Pi, it's blinking. If I press it down, it stays on, blinking, on, blinking, on. And also just right here, there's a simple LED, which is right here. Then here's the pin 2 is white, and then pin 4 input is orange, and it is connected to breakout, which is this black thing. And then of course here's the other part of the button, and this is connected to ground because it's a pull-up resistor. Okay, thanks.